I need to get all the parts out for this experiment. Looks like there's 4 jumper wires and 2 switches. The jumper wires are male to female, right? This right here is the male end, and this right here is the female end. The female end connect to the area right here, and the male end go to the jump to the breadboard. So I also need these little button switches, and these button switches are in this bag right here with the fan. Okay, I need to have one of these little red tubs available, so that way when I dump out the parts, they're not going to go everywhere. A bunch of little parts. So I need to get out the 2 little switches, and if you notice the switches, they got these little spikes on them. Okay, and these spikes, according to the map, jump across this little valley. Okay, so we want to go ahead and insert those down, pushing them in, being careful not to bend all the pins. Okay, and we've got those switches in. The next part is putting the jumpers in. Okay, so we're going to jump. The first wire goes out of pin 5, and it goes to this first spot on goes right there. Okay, the next wire will go from pin 11 and it goes to right there. The third wire will go from the 0V, the first 0V, that's right next to 16, and it's going to go to right here. And then the fourth wire will be on the next 0V, and it's going to go right here, switch 2. And that's how to build the first circuit in experiment 1.